Okay. Alright. There you go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday. Like Clockwork, every single Monday, like Clockwork. Sorry. Today, finally, and I think I did this look months and months ago. I'm gonna show you guys how I get my Phoenix eye look. It's only 3 shadows and a glitter. I swear it's not that hard. Promise. But that's it. Yeah. Sorry. My bad. If you're new here, this happens a lot. If you're not, hey guys, welcome back, my enablers. Check me out. Are you guys following me on Instagram? I feel like I have to keep telling you guys this because you guys have to do it. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Just kidding. But if you guys finally want to see how I get this Phoenix eye look that's so pretty, it's like fierce, it's doing shoulder things, keep on watching. Let's jump right into this look. It's not hard. Listen. It's really not that hard of a look. I know I say it's a lot, but when you follow the steps, it's really not that bad. I'm actually only gonna be using about 3 shadows. So, see, not so bad. Sorry if you hear my dogs. I don't know why they're making noise, but that's like old school. That's like one of my first videos. The dogs is barking, everything was bad. But yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is jump into my Orient Express palette by Nomad Cosmetics. They also dropped a mini version, which is so good. I can't wait to travel with it. This is one of my favorite palettes for real. All right, so here's a palette you guys already know. It'll be on the screen with my large fluffy blending brush. I'm going into that Roaring 20 shade, which is also in the mini, so yeah. And this is gonna be my transition. Just like my Raven eye look with their Haunted Europe palette and my Toucan look, I am going to be bringing the transition shade right down here into my tear duct, right by the inner corner, just to give it that bird's eye look. You know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean. And this is not a new look. This is just a look that I'm doing a tutorial for because I haven't done it. This is my Phoenix eye look. It is on my Instagram, and it is featured, I think, in Cleaning My Lashes. That one? Something like that. And this is such a great red. I'm gonna start right here, and then I'm gonna bring it up like so. See, look at that, the pigment. Yes sir, I love it. So hope you guys enjoyed your holidays. It is that season, so did you guys start shopping? I didn't. I do have an idea of what to buy everyone though, so shouldn't be too terrible. But everything just came so fast. So first look, I'm gonna be stopping right here. I'm not gonna be bringing it all the way down because I want a different color on the outer corner, and I really want that color to pop. So I'm just gonna build this red up. I want it to be like really pigmented. Ooh, it's gonna be so beautiful. This was one of my favorite looks. Like it really isn't that hard to do. It just looks like a lot, and you know, color placement is for real. Now that the red is blended out, yeah, I know. Trust the process. Come on. Would I ever let you guys down? Lead you astray? No. The answer is no. Raccoon, don't start. Look at people texting me like I'm not doing stuff. Anyway, next I'm gonna go into my Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. I'm gonna hit that deep maroon shade. I'm actually gonna mix the two with my E36. The deepest shade on the top left and the one on the bottom right. And this is gonna be on my outer corner. and in the crease. Now I said I only use about 3 shadows. I do. I swear I do. And the other one is bright orange. So you guys know I have to hit my neon pigments. I really love them. I feel like I need to do like a giveaway with them. I feel like you guys need to know how good they are. They're so good. They are so good. All right, so that's it for that. And I'm just gonna hit the other side. Wow, is this gonna be a short video? Look, I always say that and then just embarrass myself, so. Anywho, hope you guys are doing well. It's a very hectic month for me. Early December is right there. So much is happening. So much is happening. I think I'm gonna do like a catch-up video, but you guys already know if you follow me on Instagram, which you should be. You guys know it's almost time for my birthday shoot, which of course means it's gonna be a vlog. It's not gonna be really a surprise this year, but it will be out on my birthday, so look out for that. That's not a Monday. Or next year? It's next year. But I shoot a month in advance. Man, it's a lot. So that is coming up. That is a lot of work to prep. I've had pieces come from South Africa for this shoot. It's crazy. It's gonna be really creative. I don't know how I'm doing my makeup yet, and it is like right there. But you guys know, once I sit in front of the camera, I'm just gonna do what it do. And you guys get to see the day of. Make sure you find my Instagram because I will be posting in my stories behind the scenes from that shoot, and I will go live. So, December 8th, save the date. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, that's it. So, it's pretty much it for this color. I'm gonna go ahead off camera and cut the crease. And, yeah, probably finish up one eye like I usually do. It doesn't, listen, it's not that hard this time. I'm like so exaggerated. It's so exaggerated, but this is all going to be cleaned up with concealer. I just want to make sure it's the shape that I want. That's really what that is. So I'm going to go ahead off camera, cut the crease, and finish up this side, which means I'm just going to be adding the orange. And I don't know if I want to add the glitter just yet. We'll see. Whatever. This eye is going to be maybe almost done. We'll find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Just kidding. Find out when I come back. So, lots and lots of things happened. But this eye's pretty much done. All I need is some eyeliner, lashes. You guys know, just to clean it up, really. So off camera, I did go ahead and cut the crease. Like I said I would. I brought it down. You guys know that's how I get that bird's eye effect. I added some orange and some glitter. Now, all right, this is what happened. I put down one glitter first, and I'm like, is this the one that I used? Did I put something on top of it? But it was the wrong one. So I had to go ahead and put the right one on top. That's what happened. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what went down. So with my neon pigments in orange, as you obviously, I'm gonna use my Morphe E36. I did just clean it off with my color switch, and I'll be doing that again because I'm gonna be going back and forth. So I'm just going to use this to place the orange like in a packing motion, and then kind of swipe once it's down a little bit. I think the concealer should be pretty much dry, so I might be able to swipe a little faster. Sorry, I said sorry. I'm sorry. You guys know I have this in like a little dish. I'm gonna be careful now. I'm gonna get orange all over myself. I should put something on my lap. For real this time, I'm gonna take some orange and I'm going to start packing it on. I'm gonna start in the inner corner like so. Just want to place it right on top of that concealer. I don't really know if it helps to do it while the concealer is still wet. I feel like sometimes it's a little harder, and it doesn't, like, goes on a lot better. So I'm gonna say wait for the concealer to dry down a little bit, then go ahead and start adding loose pigments. Just from my experience 10 minutes ago. I haven't done this eye look in so long. I have to look at pictures and I'm just like, I did that? Shit. But yeah, went on so much easier with dry concealer, just so you guys know. And don't worry about the mess down here. That is going to be cleaned. But you see how beautiful this orange is? I actually put a little bit too much. Let me clean up the other side a little bit. This might be too much glitter. I want more orange. There we go. Yeah, that's how I wanted it. A little bit more orange peeking through, poking out. Sorry. What is wrong with me? So many things. Okay. So I think, honestly, this is pretty good for the orange already. Note to self, wait for the concealer to dry because it's looking sorry. I watch a lot of Dashie and I am not ashamed. So before I go ahead and add any glitter, yeah, it's a mess. Just please. I'm going to actually go ahead and clean off my E36. And then I'm going to use just a clean fan brush. I'm going to swipe this way. That's better. Yeah, it's still a mess, but like not as bad. Calm down. And going back into my Mauve Obsessions, I'm just gonna hit those same two colors and just clean up the outer corner, just like I would with any other cut crease. Just you know, clean it up a smidge. So don't worry about down here. It's gonna be cleaned up when I do my concealer and my foundation in a bit because we are just about done. Right, so using my NYX glitter primer, I love this. If you haven't seen my videos, if this is your first time, hello. Thanks for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button. Don't play with me. Follow my Instagram. Stop playing with me. And my glitter primer is my favorite for laying down glitter, loose pigments, and shimmers. Pressed glitters, bomb. So using just a little synthetic brush, I'm just going to put down some glitter primer where I want the glitters to be. So I actually like focus on the ends, just like a regular cut crease, and then bring a little bit in the crease moving forward. Yeah, so like that, like this. Duh. But yeah, you don't want to use too much, it'll get clumpy. But you can always go back in with the orange, whatever shade you have in the lid, to clean it up, just to make it a little like I did here. So going into the correct glitter, this is a shimmer down. You want to do these upside down, y'all. I swear it's messy. So just a small flat synthetic brush. You guys know that's my go-to. I'm going to just place it carefully over that glitter primer. Guys, I don't know what to do for New Year's. It's happening so fast. Everything's happening so fast. I'm thinking blue dress this year. What you guys think? I had red last year. I had obviously red for Valentine's Day. I think I should do a blue dress. I did a blue dress my first New Year's on Instagram. It was alright. I was sick. I had the flu. That was trash, but I still filmed for y'all. Wasn't gonna let that stop me. So, you know. And yeah, see, just a little thick in the front. Thick it out. Sorry. But yeah, so I'm just gonna pack this on a little bit more and clean up right over here with just some more of that orange. It's like a weird glitter placement, but I like it, and I like to be different, and it looks good. I think actually for this one I might put a little yellow in the inner corner. I'm not sure yet. That's the only difference from when I did this look the first time, but that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna clean this up a little here and finish up off camera, come back and show you guys this Venus eye look. Sorry. I feel like this video is going by really fast, and I like that, but then I say this and then I jinx the whole video and it's 75 minutes long. So I'm gonna finish up camera, show you guys the final look, and that's it. What? is the final look. The lashes are in the style Wildin. You guys already know I only wear my own lashes. And honestly, when I did my concealer and my powder off camera, I used a Real Technique sponge. And then I realized that I should have used my own. If you guys have seen my diamond sponges, it's just like perfect points and angles to like really get up in here that I needed and to really snatch my nose. And I was like, you know what? I'm rushing. So that's what happened with that. As you can see, I did pop in some contacts. These are in the color HD Blue by TTDI. Yeah, I don't know why I want to say there's another letter in there, but it's TTDI. I love this color. It's so beautiful. I'm just actually recreating a look. You guys already know it's already on Instagram. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Follow me. Stop. Anyway. And I did go ahead and add a little bit of that yellow. Now off camera, moment of silence for my pink neon pigment. Literally the bottle just dropped. I went to grab the yellow and I had to scrape up what I could to put in a little container. Guys, just please. If you have these pigments, I'm gonna say go ahead and buy the teardrop jars. I think those are plastic and not glass, because I'm gonna have to purchase a new pink. I still have a lot left, so just pray for me and my pink, because I need it for my birthday shoot. But yeah, that was so sad. I did also go ahead on the lips. I do have my Fenty Stunna lip paint. That's the first one, the red one, and I topped it off in the middle with Peach Bellini. That's by Live Glam. It's one of my favorites. Now, if you guys remember, I did use this as a waterline highlight in my peach rings video. I know, there's gonna be a like candy video coming up. It's just so much going on. I'm sorry, don't hate me. But to be fair, when I asked you guys for suggestions on Instagram, y'all gave me shit, okay? Y'all gave me caramel colored candies and brown candies, and it just wasn't good. It wasn't. I'm sorry, it's your fault. That's it, your fault. I said it. And obviously, in my waterline, I did use a white eyeliner. This is the LA Girl Pastel Dream Auto Eyeliners. I love them. They're so good and creamy. Like the LA Girl Shockwave lip liners that I use as eyeliners are amazing. They're just so creamy and beautiful, and I love them. And I think this was like a sale at like Ulta for like $3 or something. So I picked it up. But that's pretty much it, guys. This is my Phoenix eye look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the look. Please, guys, if you guys try it out, let me know in the comments down below. Comment, start engaging with me. I'm not. And let me know on Instagram. Tag me your looks. I love to share it. I love when you guys try my looks. It's only happened to me once so far, and it was great. I loved it. I did. It was beautiful. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this look. If you do, give it a big thumbs up for me. It helps me out so much. You guys have no idea. You guys have no idea. And yes, if you see it, yes, I did. If you have me on Instagram, you would already even know. But that's it. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.